everybody, my name is Ed, and today we are going to be microwaving three things. It's going to be a Sharpie, a banana, and a fork. We got this microwave right here, and make sure do not try this at home. And I have a fire extinguisher just in case of fire or something. Always have that beside you. And first we're going to start microwaving a Sharpie. So, go ahead. Put this down here. Got one Sharpie. We're gonna do one with a lid. No lid. No lid. Make sure it's right. It's right.
This is where the adult supervision comes in. Time set.
99.99. All right.
We'll see what happens. What'd you
See
put?
what happens. Crazy. It's gonna be very crazy. We put it for 99 minutes and 99 seconds.
All right, that was for like what?
I don't know.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Let's see.
Oh my
Oh.
God! Look at it.
Let me see.
There's ink.
It exploded. It did.
So it smells like a Sharpie because it is a Sharpie. Black ink everywhere, and as you see, there's a mark right there. There's a mark from the ink and all that from the Sharpie. Alright, now let's go get the banana. Next, banana. I feel like I want to eat it. See what happens. 9999.
Yep.
Alright.
You gotta do time to cook.
Time cook.
And 99999.
Okay, we put it for 99 minutes and 99 seconds. And start. Oh, get that. I hear something pop. I smell a banana.
You smell a banana?
I smell a banana.
See what happens. Dude. I want to see if maybe.
It smells like a banana pudding. It smells like a baby.
Here, Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. Open it?
Me open it? Okay.
Yeah, you.
Ah, it just melted.
It smells like banana.
It didn't do much. It just melted it.
Yes. Ew.
Go for it.
Next, that we can't put in the microwave, fork. All right. I don't know what this is gonna happen. If it melts or something, I don't know. 9, 9, 9. Okay, let me get that. It's gonna start sparkling. It's sparkling. Oh my God! It looks like a Jacob's ladder.
Camera's fine. You know what is happening. Give us a flash.
I hear like a Jacob's ladder. It's going up. Goes up like a camera sees it. Oh.
Okay, I'll plug it, dude.
Okay. I'm glad. Emergency stop. Just got burned.
smells.
Of course it does. It's a fork. It got it. Oh, I got it. Alright, the smell stinks. It didn't do anything. As you saw on the camera, it looked like a Jacob's ladder. There
was fire coming off.
Yeah, there was fire coming off. So that's why never try this at home. Never. It could cause a fire. It could cause anything. It can cause hazard breathing and all of that. So never try this at home. Always have a fire extinguisher when you're doing this. Always have an adult. Which I have two. My brother and my little sister. I mean, big sister. My big brother and my big sister. Please hit the notification bell. We're gonna remind you when there's a new video coming. Leave comments below, and you can tell in the comments what to microwave next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Again, do not try this at home. And my name is Aiden. Thank you for watching.